for this week, we mentioned about flipped classrooms. So, of the two readings assigned, the flipped classroom, a small, simple definition was inverting the classroom means that events that have traditionally taken place inside the classroom now take place outside the classroom and vice versa. So, flipped classrooms are defined as an educational technique that consists of two parts. So, one is being interactive group learning activities inside the classroom, and two, a direct computer based individual instruction outside of the classroom. The flipped classroom is a new pedagogical method. It helps employees asynchronous video lectures. It allows practicing of problems as homework, and it also allows group-based problem-solving activities in the classroom. So in the second article, it talked about some of the research that supported the views of flipped classrooms. So one of the studies suggested that a blended classroom or flipped classroom generate increased learning gains over the traditional lecture model. So the U.S. Department of Education analysis clearly found that blended learning was more effective way for students to learn. It is because it gives instructors the opportunity to incorporate active learning into their classrooms. So one of the positive things found about flipped classroom is that individuals are able to get a better visual because they're able to see lessons more clearly and are able to refer back to them at any given time. And it also allows for increasing collaboration. It allows students to be broken up into groups depending on their understanding of material presented, and it also allows teachers to provide extra help to those struggling students. So for the summary of the videos, overall, the flipped classroom was mentioned as reverse order in which the class is given. So in a typical format, lectures are first given in the classroom setting and then assignments. But however, in the flipped classroom, individuals have to watch the lecture at home and assignments are given in the classroom. So some of the benefits for students of flipped classroom is that it allows students to learn at their own pace because videos are accessible to them at any given time, and students are able to watch the videos as many times as needed. And it can also help students determine what they need extra support in. So when they go back to the classroom, they're able to ask for that extra support in any given section of a lesson. It also is more efficient because it allows students to enter the classroom prepared to and allow them to be prepared to contribute in any class assignments and discussions. And it enriches the lesson because it allows students to spend more time on group work and projects by allowing them to come together and help each other, overall encouraging more collaboration. Many students claim that through flipped classrooms, they're able to receive the same learning opportunities when they are doing homework. Some of the benefits for teachers is that it allows teachers to target students who need extra help. And instead of instructing from the front of the classrooms, teachers are able to do a side-by-side, like sort of side-by-side coaching, just prompting students with the extra support that they need. And it allows professors and teachers to work closely to individuals who are struggling. It also allows instructors to use third-party videos to further explain topics and concepts, and it also allows them to not repeat lectures over and over again. So some of the reactions to the reading was that blended learning was a very effective way for students to learn. I personally think that this is very true in my opinion, just because I did take a hybrid class, which was asynchronous on Tuesdays because I had to watch the videos on my own, and then on Thursdays we came together with the class via Zoom, and we were be broken up into small breakout rooms, and where we were able to talk about the assignment and to help complete a small group assignment to ensure that we were able to understand what we were learning. So some of my reactions to the video was that overall flipped classrooms are very positive just because it allows students to work at their own pace. However, one of the negative things that I found even true for myself was that flipped classrooms can impact people of minority students and disadvantaged just because a lot of them do not have access to the internet or any access to technology overall.